Feeling stressed? Try this with me. That breathing pattern can calm your nervous system down in seconds. Hi, I'm Ricky Locke, TEDx speaker, confidence coach and magician, and today I want to share with you one of the fastest ways I know to reduce anxiety in real time. It's called the Physiological Sigh. Now, I learned about this trick from my co-directors and good friends Daniel Kroku and Olympic silver medalist Leon Taylor. And it's also been popularized in neuroscience research by Dr. Andrew Huberman. The reason why the physiological sigh works so well is that most stress advice tells you meditate, go for a walk, or even just calm down. But what if you were to walk into a meeting or deliver a presentation or even have a difficult conversation? You need something that works instantly. And that's where the physiological sigh comes in. Your lungs aren't just two big bags of air. They're filled with millions of tiny little sacs called alveoli. That traps carbon dioxide in your system, which then traps you into a stress response. That second inhale reinflates those tiny little air sacs, and the long exhale helps your body get rid of that excess carbon dioxide. And when that happens, your body shifts back towards calm. Here's how to do it. Step 1, inhale through the nose. Step 2, take a second short inhale to fully expand the lungs. And step 3, do a long exhale through your mouth, imagining like you are blowing the candles out on a birthday cake. 2 inhales, 1 long exhale. That's the physiological sigh. Try this before speaking, before a meeting, before a difficult conversation, or even if you're in the moment and you need to instantly reset your nervous system and calm down. Usually 1 or 2 breaths is enough to noticeably calm your body. And if you want more simple confidence tools like this, I've put a playlist over here of practical tools and tips and techniques that you can help to reduce your confidence and anxiety in everyday life. Stress is part of life, but tools like this give you control in the moment. So the next time anxiety shows up, don't fight it, reset it. Double inhale, long exhale, the physiological sigh. Try it now.